Alright y'all, what's up? Welcome to Deuce Farms. Today, we're doing an unboxing. Haven't unboxed anything in a while, and honestly haven't unboxed anything this big. Now, I don't mean the package, this is a pretty decent sized package, but big things do come in small packages, but this is a fairly sized. Alright, let me get off the size of this thing, but anyways, so this goes with a little sponsorship. Spider Farmer, they decided to, sponsor us. They reached out, and at first, they were trying to give us a light, and we negotiated a little bit, and then they upgraded it to a bigger light. And if you're looking at the title, it's the SF5000. It's a 500 watt light, and I don't have anything this big yet as far as lights goes, and I'm extremely excited to open it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I was trying to make sure that was smooth, but anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so open it up. Get that out of there. Alright. So, just want to get all this. Alright. Let me struggle to get it out of the box real quick. Let me get it out of the box first, then I'll show you guys. So, it comes in multiple pieces. Oh, I have to put it together. I wasn't expecting to put together, but it is a big light, so it makes sense. I haven't had to put a light together yet, well, other than putting the driver on there. So this unboxing is going a little bit different than I would like. So pretty much the box is multiple pieces of this. It's the entire thing to put it together. It looks fairly cool. I like the orange, if you know us. Oh, I kind of slammed that a little hard, but oh no, that's fine. But I love the orange. Those are our colors, and I'm not going to sit here and ramble. I'm super excited about this, and I'm ready to go ahead and get it put together. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together and let you guys see.
Make sure you're so cold.
Now with it all put together, I can go ahead and cut it on. This light is the SE5000, which is a 480 watt light, and it's powered by this driver right here. This is probably my favorite feature about the light in general, is because it has a detachable driver, and the cord is pretty lengthy. That way you're able to separate it from your tent on the outside. That way it's not really heating up the tent as much. It is dimmable, and it does feature Ethernet cable plugs, so that way you're able to run multiple of them together in a daisy chain format. There are 6 different light bars, and they're all connected by their own individual cable, which gives you the option to remove some of them if you wanted to, or slide them from left to right since they aren't really held by a screw, and it gives you that freedom to move them however you would like. This is my biggest light so far, and it does offer the most coverage, and I'm super excited to have it, and especially having it in my 4x4. As you can see, it takes up quite a bit of space, and I can't wait to use it on my next upcoming grow so I can see how it performs and let you guys know. But that's going to be it for this video, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned so you can see all the upcoming grows under this light.